It's a new 2026 Honda Civic Hatchback Hybrid. When you think of a hatchback, you think of fun. When you think of a hybrid, you think of efficiency. When you drive this Civic Hatchback Hybrid, you'll think this is your perfect blend of both. It's well equipped with the features you need: integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.